Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 Active and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page you should see your Xiaomi Watch S1 Active. Now scroll down, find the Unpair button, tap on it, then tap on continue. The watch will disappear from the device page. It will reset itself to the factory default settings. At this point you can close the application, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.